You want to know why we're all suffering from the worst mental health epidemic that ever was? The worst substance abuse that ever was? The greatest suffering in the history of the world, despite the fact that we have the most physical means? Because there's never been a higher epidemic of the greatest disease, and it trumps COVID by 1 billion. It's called sophistication. Simplicity has went into exile. What is the goal of everybody in our society? Self-achievement, self-fulfillment. To be a self-made billionaire. And you want to know a very, very crazy thing that nobody's going to tell you because they have no idea. The further and further you invest in self, the further and further you get from joy. Because you're disconnecting yourself from reality. You have no self in and of yourself. You're connected to in the most beautiful way to an entire nation of millions and millions of souls, that every single one of us is intricately bound, to the extent that the Baal Tanya says, if we had a special telescope and you could see all the Jews across the world, and you could see outside of our bodies for one moment, you would literally see every single part of a spiritual body. And this foot is saying, I'd love to be like the hand. And this hand is saying, man, I want to be like the head. And the head is going, man, if I could only be like the feet. Rabbi Nachman says, you know what's going to happen when Mashiach comes? Nobody's going to care anymore. You know why there's going to be peace in the world? It's not because something physical is going to change. It's because your ego is going to be nullified. You're going to realize you have no separate self. You're part of a gigantic, enormous, cosmic creation. And your part is just as essential as any other part. Just like a foot is just as necessary as a hand, is just as necessary as eyes, is just as necessary as ears. You need ears to hear. If the ears wanted to be like the eyes, then you wouldn't be able to hear. And if the eyes wanted to be like the ears, you wouldn't be able to see. You need every single part. How many of us are looking at other people and saying, oh man, if I could just be like them, I would be happy. If I could just have what they have, I would be happy. No, you wouldn't be happy. Because you wouldn't be yourself.
Sure.